Hello friends, hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel NUAA-TECH videos. And this is the series of Windows Server 2022, and in today's topic we will discuss about the dynamic groups or the temporary groups in Active Directory. So let's proceed. So this is my domain controller and let me show you. This is my domain test.local, and here we are planning to create temporary groups. So in administrator's life, we can assume like there is some requirement to create a temporary group, let's say just for 15 days or for 10 days or for 1 month or 2 months. So this is based on the requirement, and we can automate this process by creating the dynamic groups. And to do this, we will use the PowerShell scripting. So it could be one of a good feature if we can create the dynamic groups for certain uses. So let's look at the command. I have already copied the command here. This is the command we are going to execute, and you can add some more switches also into it as per your requirement. So this is just a basic requirement. So what is this command is going to do? This is OU, and it will connect to the ADSI path, and the path using LDAP, and this is the path OU, UK and test. Let me show you here also. So this is the OU, and here the new group or the dynamic group will be created. So this is a simple command, and this is about the group. So OU, which OU this group will be created. So from here it is fetching the OU information. OU is this one, and it is going to create then group, and this is the group name. CN equal to admin dot join. Let me rename it to something else. HR access underscore temp. So if you are making it or giving a logical name like TMP, so others or the other administrator can recognize this is the temporary group. So this is good to add this prefix, sorry, suffix here. And here we will use the extension object class and dynamic object. This is going to be a group, and this is something important we need to understand about it. The entry TTL, TTL is time to live, and for how long this group will be active, and post that once the time is elapsed, this group will be deleted. So how we are considering this? Like for example, if we are creating this for 30 days, so we can convert into the second. So 30, then 24 hours, then 60 minutes, and then 60 seconds. So this way you can convert it, and the total seconds what we have for 1 month or 30 days, this much value. So we can replace this value as per our requirement, but this is just for demo. So I'm going to create just for 15 minutes, and make a note. We can create the group for at least 15 minutes. So if you are creating or planning to create any group, there is no logic also, and the time value that is given, that is 15 minutes at least. So even if you are giving 120 second or anything below 15 minutes in seconds, by default it will take 15 minutes time only. And this is set info. So this is the entire command we are going to add, but you can modify, you can add some more attributes also to be updated against this group. But for now, this is fine, and I'll create for 15 minutes means 1660 and 15 minutes into 60. So we have 900 seconds. I'm going to replace this value 900. That's fine. So let's run the script now. Okay, this is successfully executed. And let's go back to the Active Directory users and computers and refresh it. We can see the group is created now. And here the group name, do not replace this because this is by default taken. And if we are renaming, this group might not work in a way which is intended to. And also if we take a look on the attributes, there is entryTTL that is added. So the count time that was started from 900 second and it is reduced to now 870 seconds. Let's close one more time and refresh and try. Now the time is now 850 seconds remaining now. So the time is getting reduced. Meanwhile, let me give you one more hint here. So the hint is how this is being processed. Why after 50 minutes or so, the group will be deleted or removed from the Active Directory. So the reason is directly this group is being added into the garbage cycle that is created by Active Directory. If you don't know what is garbage collection cycle, then I have prepared another video. You can watch that video. But this is based on the garbage collection. So by default, the time for garbage collection 12 hours. So after each 12 hours interval, all the stale records will be deleted or removed from the Active Directory. Okay, so let's check one more time. Uh, the time now. So 480 seconds, 81 seconds are remaining now. And we can also add the members as per our requirement using PowerShell or directly from the console itself. So let's try adding the user here. Okay. So we will see after some time this group is getting removed automatically or not. Until then, I just pause the video and come back when we are left with a couple of seconds. Okay, so regarding garbage collection, let me tell you one more point until this is getting added. So let's open how we can check or set the garbage collection timing. Let's open the adsi edit and we have to go into the configuration partition. Okay, I'm at the right spot now and services, and then here Windows NT and directory services, and on directory services just right click and this is sorted. Okay, this is Tom Storm lifetime 180 days, so this is default one. GAR, okay, garbage. So this is the place or attributes we can modify. We can set any value in minutes here, garbage collection period, but by default this is 12 hours. But we can set the timing for after how many hours or how many days you want to set the garbage call period. Okay, so this is additional information about the garbage collection. Now let's go back to the group again and go into attributes. Let's filter it out. Okay, we so 20 to 50 seconds are remaining now. So even if we clear from here, it will again start counting from 900 second. So if I make it clear or make it 0 to do it faster, that is not possible. It is going to count again timing starting from 900 second. So do not do this mistake. Okay, let's try 205. So I'll keep noticing. Until then, I just pause the video and resume back shortly. Okay, so I think we are nearing the timing now. Let's check one more time. Okay, so we now 33 seconds are remaining. Let's refresh and wait for some more seconds. Okay, so TTL now is 7 seconds. Let's see. Refresh. Let's check the time. How this is gone. And now the process in the back end must be started. So it will take couple of more seconds. So the time is already elapsed. Yes, I'll do the refresh. Okay, yes, this is gone. So the group is deleted. Let's try. What was the group name? In search also. A group name was HR access stamp. So search now HR. This is another group. HR hyphen access. So we do not have any such group. So it means the automation or the temporary creation of this group is working fine as expected. So I'll copy this code in the description box. So you can, if you want to have create the temporary groups in your environment, you can use this. So that's all in this video. And if you are liking my video, please do subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks for watching.